Yeah, put your finger right in here, okay?
Pick it up high.
Put it up high and stick it out. It makes it look a lot bigger.
That is so big.
Ooh, nice fish.
Okay. Perfect.
Put him right in there.
All right. Donnie's happy. He's earning me.
That was a very nice fish. Look back here, you're on video. You can move. Hi.
This is sure beat your father-in-law.
That way and say no, yeah, everything has to be over 3 letters.
Oh, wow. Did you see her gills?
Don't bring it out of the water.
Oh my gosh, look!
Oh no, that's legal. That's legal.
That's a keeper.
Can you guys kind of turn it so it's flat towards me?
Get some strength to him. Don't give up.
Well, good.
Nice.
Look at him with his big smile.
Well done.
Pay no attention to my finger.
A cool fish in the picture.
Is that a dusky?
Oh,
Jeff,
oh, you're ready, Cass? Yeah!
Guys, we need some cheering out here.
Nice job! Woo!
You got the rod? Oh my god.
Hold on. Don't let that point it.
Woo! Oh, how big would you say that is?
What do we get?
Nice fish.
What do you got there? There's one right there. That's fine. Don't pull them out.
Liz, can you show me when you're done? Oh, great!
Hold it up higher so you're proud.